Every year in the UK alone, almost 50 million litres of wine are poured down the plug hole. That's a massive £270 million down the drain. You know how it is, you crack open that one last bottle with friends the weekend, and then the rest ends up on your kitchen counter for 3 days, exposed to oxygen, and your vino turns to vinegar. Sure, there's wine preservation devices out there, but they're either ineffective, as the wine is still in contact with some air, or expensive, and you're tied into pricey refills. Which got me thinking, there had to be a better way to preserve your wine's full flavour, no matter how much you had left. So I came up with Eto. Simple, elegant, and it really works. Here's how. Decant your whole bottle into Eto. This opens up the wine and brings out its character. Pour yourself a glass, the sharp lip gives drip-free pouring. But then here's the magic. Push down on the neck and the unique patented design forms a complete seal, preventing any further contact with oxygen to preserve your wine's full flavour. Ideally, store Eto in the fridge to keep both white and red in perfect condition until you decide it's time for another glass. Then simply tip Eto and the innovative valve automatically opens as you pour. No gases, no pumping that can strip wine of its flavour, just good practical design. To test its preservation capability, we took our prototypes to the laboratories of Bangor University.
We tested Eto against leaving wine in a corked bottle and a number of other well-known preservation solutions. The results were indisputable. Eto far outperforms them all.
I was really amazed, and I have to say surprised, when I first tried it. I couldn't believe that a wine which had been decanted into it 7 days beforehand tasted every bit as fresh as a wine which had come from a recently opened bottle. But it also had the added benefits of decanting in that the wine was breathing, it was opening up, it was tasting absolutely delicious.
We've built over 60 prototypes tested to achieve the perfect seal and simplify Eto for easy cleaning and assembly. It's also been designed for durability, and all materials are of the highest quality, all rigorously tested to ensure they have no effect on the wine's flavour. We're a self-funded startup, experienced in product development, but we now need your help to bring Eto to market. The manufacturers are ready to go, so choose your reward, and by pledging, you'll be one of the first to enjoy perfect wine every time and never waste a drop again. Cheers!